Good morning. This is Principal of Mount Literacy School, Paramakudi. So we have started this new academic year 21-22. We all know the circumstances and situations that are existing right now. So from MLZS, what are the implementations we have planned to introduce in this academic year? So this online platform is going to be the most comprehensive, and it is going to have a lot of effective measurements to help the parents, students, and also the teachers. So we are going to have a tie-up with My Class Board application. So we are going to have a new application platform. We are working on that. So online classes, follow-up videos, learning sources, learning resources, question papers, attendance sheets, everything will be uploaded in the application itself. So students should generate user ID and password for themselves to attend all the online sessions on a regular basis. After the implementation, after the launch of this new application, we will be organizing an orientation program for the parents as well to receive the user ID and password for all the students individually. And for the month of April, we have implemented a new program called Bridge Course. Bridge Course is integrated and introduced to fulfill the learning gap of the learners who are moving from one grade to another grade. So, in these 2 weeks of time, we are not going to touch the textbooks. They will be learning the basic ideas and strategies and components of their subjects on a regular basis. So, we are going to promote the skills and the learning exposure of all the learners in a different way for these 2 weeks. So, we are not going to teach anything from the textbook for these 2 weeks. So, this is about a bridge course implementation for the students. Followed by bridge course, we are also going to launch summer camp for all the students. And then last but not least, like some parents, like they have started paying the full term fee. So we are going to place the order for Lenovo tabs. So in a week of time, Lenovo tabs will be distributed to the parents who are making their full term fee payment. So stay tuned for further alerts and weekend competitions, weekend Olympiads, and merit scholarship examinations, NEET faculty crash courses, all are on the way to fulfill the learning gap of proud Mount Literans.